Hello, welcome to Bestifier Tech. In this video, we are gonna see how to update your Windows 11 PC. Before diving into the update process, make sure your PC is connected to the internet. Then follow these steps. First, click on the Windows icon. Then go to Settings. Go to Windows Update. Windows 11 typically checks for updates automatically, but you can manually check for updates to ensure you are up to date. The option will be shown here instead of install all. I'm gonna click install all. You can see it is showing you are up to date. You can also check for updates. You can see my Windows 11 is up to date. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button.